Hi R6, I am making this video to discuss the materials that are required for this course. I have prepared a bag of art supplies for you that were meant to be picked up at the school. If you have not gotten your supplies yet, please message me and let me know, and we can schedule for a time for you to come and get the supplies, but they are required, so please make sure you get them. Alright, and now what is in your bag, you will find about 12 color pencils or so. You will need these for one of your projects. You will also find a number 2 pencil and an eraser. I really recommend these white erasers compared to the pink erasers on the end of the pencil. They do tend to burn out pretty quickly. You also have your own personal clay that's bagged up and airtight so that it doesn't dry out for your 3-dimensional project. You also have your own oil pastels that you'll be using for one of your other units. And then of course, since most of your units are 2-dimensional, you have, I believe, about 7 or 8 sheets of paper. If you have one more or one less, it's okay, I gave you extra. But those are all the materials that you should have in your bag. Again, if you did not pick up your bag, please let me know, send me an email, or if you're missing one of these supplies, please let me know. Please do not, however, contact me and let me know that you lost the entire bag. I cannot guarantee a replacement. You may unfortunately have to go out and get some of these supplies for the course if that's the case. Since these are being given to you for free, please make sure you hold on to these, keep them in a safe spot, and don't lose your materials. Alright guys, that's it for your course materials. Please make sure you use them safely, and I can't wait to see what projects we make with them. Alright, I'll see you all in class. Bye everyone.